I don't want you to get the message that rewards are a bad thing. I just think that rewards work best when they're unexpected. We don't know they're coming. Like all of a sudden the kid has to think about, whoa, wait a second, all of a sudden I got this? What did I do? I don't know what it was, but I better do it again. The other thing is if you are using tangible things like tickets and tokens and whatever that might be, why does it always have to be cashed in for a toy or a thing? Why can't it be cashed in for something that's more intrinsic, like a job in the school, a bulletin board to redesign, help with planting in the front yard? Why can't it be cashed in for stuff like that, that has more meaning to it? And that's how we can pull kids into the community and make them part of our school. So think about it. If you're using that type of system, it's not that it's bad, but what are they cashing in those little tickets for? Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.